Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get unbanned on Discord. So let's start. If you get banned to a Discord server, IP address ban is what you're dealing with. With that, you need to change your IP in order to get unbanned on that server. So in this video, we will be using VPN. So first, we need to download VPN. In this case, we need to use a Discord browser. Next, open a new tab, and here, search for Chrome Web Store. Click on this top search, and once you are in the store, search for Hola VPN. Select it, and in this page, click the Add to Chrome button. Then in this prompt, click Add this extension. Now, you can see that the extension VPN has been added to Chrome. Just click the extension. In here, click this drop-down button to choose the country you want, so that you can change your IP address. For example, I want to go to United Kingdom. Just click on it, and you will now be browsing Discord via United Kingdom VPN. Simply use this VPN and you will never be banned on Discord. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to get unbanned on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.